My boss sent me a messy file for his meeting in just 1 hour. We have a list of businesses all crunched in one cell. Our task is to split this into different columns like name, attention to, address, city, state, and zip. Let's use Copilot to get this done quickly and efficiently. After all, my performance review is coming up. The first step is to show a few examples, in this case 3, so you can get an idea of what we want. This extra step is optional, but I found that it minimizes the risk of errors later on. Now that we have 3 samples, let's open the Copilot icon in the lower right-hand corner. You have the choice to allow editing, plan, or chat only. Let us pick the second option for planning. This is a good idea if you're using Copilot for the first time. Another tip is to create a copy of your sheet just for backup. We're going to make a copy of the sheet by right-clicking on it, select Move or Copy, and then check the Create a Copy option. Now we can go back to our Copilot panel, and in the top right, let's click the 3 dots to change the model. If you do not have this option, then leave it in automatic. For this demo, we're going to change the model to Claude Opus 4.8, but again, the automatic model is the next best choice. In the prompt area type, separate the text in column A into 6 different columns like the first 3 rows. The name of the company in column B. Watch for longer names and include names after the care of and DBA if applicable. Then in column C, enter the text after attention, but before the address. Column D has the address, followed by city in E, state in F, and zip in G. See the first 3 rows for reference. Let's press Enter or the green arrow below. After connecting the dots, it's now asking which sheet should I write the parse results into columns B and G. The solution 2, the active sheet, a new sheet, or a solution sheet. My boss is already texting me, so let's pick the active sheet. This is a good question. It's asking how do we want the zip codes, in full format or standard. We just need the 5 digits. The last but definitely not least question is asking us how to handle the odd rows, and we'll go for the first choice. I need to review the work, make any tweaks, and save the day again. After we press submit, it is coming up with steps before making any changes. So let's wait and see. Okay, so now it's giving us like the plan of action, right? So it's going over the decisions, the questions that it asked me, also the parsing logic that's basically cleaning up PO boxes and extra spaces and what have you. Also is creating a to-do list. So everything is looking good so far, and let's go ahead and press proceed. Okay, so if you want to have an idea of how much time it passed from the time that I click proceed until step 16, I would say a good 5 minutes. So it is taking its time going through the steps now, but the good news is that it's going to do the cleanup for us. Now, it's going through the multiple steps, and if you look carefully here, it's in the step 17 now, name parsing works well. So it's kind of taking care of the care of and DBA rows. And now at the end of the paragraph, it says, now let me convert name to a formula and prototype attention and address too. So yeah, it is a process that it works well. And that is why at the beginning, we enter a sample. Whenever possible, try to give it a sample of exactly what you want. While this is going on, remember that we have a lot of tips in Excel, and we are going to include a lot of Copilot and AI as well in future videos. We also have a website where we have free Excel shortcuts for Mac and Windows, so we invite you to check that out, totally free. If you have any questions or you want to learn any new topics in Excel, please let us know in the comments. Let us know what is it that you would like to learn, especially with these new tools in AI, and we'll be happy to bring those out. So I am going to continue waiting on the step 23, and we'll see you on the other side. All right, the moment we have all been waiting for, around the step 24. As you can see, it started now bringing the data in. Now it's going to go to the next step, which is building the helper column for us. So we are pressing the fast forward button. So as you see right now, it's going through step 30. And again, it's doing the review flag, the column, the helper column, right? So look at that. It reasoned on 33 steps. And we are going to now check the results. The next step in this case, the quickest way, of course, my boss is again calling, is that we're going to create a table and then we're going to filter those out. And here, now after a few decisions in terms of the color, we went ahead and went to just the simple, the plain design, and we unchecked the blanks because remember, we want to filter out the odd rows, the ones that didn't have a city, a zip, or address that were incomplete. So here is the final result, and there you have it. The takeaway here is with Copilot, feel free to experiment not only with the different models, but also to show it a few samples. And last but not least, the prompt has to be as specific as possible. Think of it as if you were talking to your assistant and you want as much detail in it. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in your comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your week.